right, here we are at the Car Museum, first weekly. We're going to be riding through here if we can, and it is packed. Let's see if we can get through here.
Come straight to you.
Let's see what we got here. What a turnout. Wow, this is a lot bigger than what I thought it would be.
I want to go this way.
Oh, thank you.
Well, they got knives. Interesting. Weave. How you doing? All right. Checking the place out. All right, let's get over here. Oh yeah, I remember these people. Yeah, I remember this. I think I've bought some of this before.
It's like in process right now.
Jersey Grill. Jersey Girl Grill. Wow. It's going to be a little tough getting through here. Cafe Crazy.
I gotta take a picture now.
Permanent jewelry, necklace, anklet, bracelets. Forever be linked. Let's go check that out. Hello there. Check it out. Homemade gem.
What's the channel?
Just crisscross around here. Don't want to run into anybody, that's for sure. Just fine, how are you?
These are all natural soaps and skincare.
All made, handmade, huh?
Absolutely.
You have scents?
I have
Herbal body oils? Scents? Yep, I see that over there.
natural deodorant, shampoo bars, even some herbs that you can make your own bath too. This is Seaside Sisters Soap Company, and everything is handmade and natural.
How are we doing today?
All right.
I have a GoPro just like that. I make videos of me baking the bread, actually.
Good.
Hello?
Uptown.
Uptown Artisan. Everything sourdough. I got a blueberry lemon loaf. I got a coffee and chocolate loaf. I got original country loaves. I got croissants. I got a croissant loaf. I got a lot. Spent a lot of time baking it. I love doing it though.
I know, that's good. Tallow-based skincare. All right, let's see if we can cut through here. Oh, look at the plants. Let's go around the backside here. Thank you. Uh-oh. I see food. mushroom. It's okay. Uh-oh, smoothies. You got coffee. Look at all the different honeys. Holy moly. Orange blossom. Made in USA. Lake City. Off 441.
We like your bike.
Thank you.
Do you love it?
Love it.
Love it.
How is it on your back, if you don't mind?
Fine. It's great. You got to get the right seat. That's all.
I'm looking at your seat. I got back issues, but it looks sturdy or solid.
It is. This is the electric. It's a 40 millimeter rear end. They went to a 50 now.
That's not. I mean, that's not that
You and I are close in dimensions on the charge. How far can you go?
Oh, I did 50 miles on this thing.
No kidding.
Oh, yeah.
And that's for the pedaling too. I can't wait to get to your site. And that's very affordable.
To this.
Yeah, well, we'll check it out.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You're very quite welcome. I'm being as careful as I can. Oh, popcorn. That's the same guy that was over at A Touch of Funk. Pork rinds, popcorn, wood, driftwood. All right, let's make it back around again. Oh, wow. There's a half a car. It looks plastic. It's fiberglass, probably. Back at the car museum. A few cars being worked on. Look at the Corvette. That's like a 65. No, that's even earlier than that. It's a 59. 58 or 59. 60. Let's go back around. See if we can't get in trouble here. Lean to the left. Seen just about everything here. How are you? Just fine. Checking things out. Oyster and clam art. Yeah, cool. What a great idea. Well, look who it is. It's Bruce.
Making a YouTube video?
Yes, I am.
All right. Am I going to be in it?
Yep.
Oh, cool.
Good to see you, Bruce.
Have a good one.
Yes, sir.
Don't run over anybody.
Oh, I know. It's real. This turnout's bigger than I thought it would be. This is really nice.
Yeah.
Y'all take care. Be careful.
Okay, man.
There's some
Thank
good
you.
honey around the corner. I'm going to get a jar of that. See ya. Vanilla Bean Company. Great.
How are you?
Just fine.
So my produce vendor didn't show up today. He broke my heart. He's a farmer breaking my heart.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think when they see all of this,
They'll bring the produce on.
they'll bring it. So
I was surprised there weren't more produce here.
I've been stalking farmers. I have been stalking them on social media, but because it was the first market, they had a wait and see attitude.
Right.
Nothing I can do about that. And he promised me he would be here.
Okay.
So they're coming. We're weekly. So, you know, it's our first week. A lot of vendors. We'll get more vendors next week. So give us a chance. Thank
And
you.
your name is?
I'm Christy.
Okay, Christy, I'm Glenn.